So here's how you can search by color inside Wellness Stock Shop. So I'm actually going to show you a couple of savvy things that you might not already know if you do already know how to search by color. First of all, we can actually type a color up here in the search bar. I try to tag photos with the colors when I remember. So if you search for green, you see a bunch of photos that have the color green in there. And if you see any photos with a specific hue that you like, then you can actually click on the photo and you see that it brings up the predominant colors inside that photo. So this is the most dominant color inside the photo. You'll notice that the dark brown on the stem is not in this color palette because it's only a small piece of the photo. These tones of green are very specific. So if you hover over them, you'll see it actually brings up a color hex code for you even. So if you see one that you really love, you can actually click on that, and it is going to bring up all of the photos inside Wellness Stock Shop Photo Store that have that specific color of green in there. So something else that's really cool, I want to show you actually, if you look on this left side, there is a very customizable search bar over here. So for instance, if you only want to see the portrait photos rather than the landscape photos, you can just click on that, click search, and it's going to filter for you. So if you have a project that you're working on, you have to have a vertical photo. That makes your search so much easier. Something else that's really cool about searching by color is that this makes it really easy to design a cohesive looking project, whatever it is that you're working on and designing, whether it's a brochure or a webinar or if it's your Instagram feed. Weaving color through is a really great, easy way to maintain that look that you're going for so that it looks really beautiful and cohesive. Also, right here you'll see that there's this little color box. You can click on that and you can actually customize your color search. So if you want to move this around and choose a different hue of green and search for that, you can. So let's just see what happens if we choose lighter green. You can just go ahead and search, and it brings up these two photos that have that exact same color of green. The other thing that you can do is you can actually add your branding color. Mine is D4CB18. That's a tough one to see if there's actually anything in here with this color. There's one photo that contains that exact color. So that is a way that you can customize your search by searching for color.